EarthPen.
Hello, curious minds. Welcome back to EarthPen. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of microscopy. Microscopes are windows to the unseen, allowing us to explore the hidden realms of the microscopic universe. Join me as we dive into the science of microscopy, discover its types, applications, and how it revolutionized our understanding of the world. Introduction to microscopy. Let's start with the basics. Microscopy is the science of using microscopes to magnify and observe objects or specimens that are too small to be seen with the naked eye. It's a tool that has transformed countless fields of science and medicine. Early history. The history of microscopy dates back to the 17th century when Antony van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch scientist, crafted the first simple microscope. With it, he observed tiny creatures in drops of water, opening our eyes to the microcosmos. Types of microscopes. There are various types of microscopes, each designed for specific purposes. Optical microscopes, such as the compound microscope, use visible light to magnify objects. Electron microscopes, including scanning and transmission electron microscopes, use beams of electrons for even greater magnification. Applications in biology. Microscopy has revolutionized biology. It's a cornerstone of cell biology, enabling scientists to study cells and their structures, paving the way for breakthroughs in genetics, microbiology, and more. Medical diagnostics. In medicine, microscopy is essential for diagnosing diseases. Pathologists use it to examine tissues and identify abnormalities. It's also crucial for blood analysis, detecting parasites, and monitoring infections. Materials science. Microscopy plays a vital role in materials science. Researchers use it to analyze the microstructure of materials, aiding in the development of new technologies and materials like semiconductors and nanomaterials. Environmental sciences. Environmental scientists use microscopy to analyze soil, water, and air samples. It helps in understanding ecological processes, identifying pollutants, and studying microorganisms in diverse ecosystems. Space exploration. Even in space exploration, microscopy is indispensable. Scientists use it to examine extraterrestrial samples, like moon rocks and meteorites, revealing the secrets of our solar system. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of microscopy. It's a tool that has expanded the horizons of human knowledge, allowing us to explore the infinitesimally small. Thanks for joining us today on EarthPen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or experiences with microscopy in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science. This is EarthPen. Learning has never been this easy, for anyone, anywhere.